Dear students, today we are going to continue with the chapter number 8, Working with Word, in which today we will be learning changing font of the text. So let's start. For this, let me start a Word document. So this is the Word document that we worked on in the last class. So let me change the font color, do the formatting as well. So here I'm going to change the highlighting with no, here also no. Okay, so let's start. How to changing font of the text. See here, I would like to change the font of the text. So here I'm just selecting the text. We need to select the text first. Click on Home tab. Here the Home tab is already selected. Now go to the font group. Now click here. This is the font style. Click on font style and select the desired font. See here, a font is selected. Okay, so you can select as per your requirement. I have selected this font and see the font is changed. Here also we can change the font. You can select the text first, go to the font group, select the font. As per your requirement, you can select any of the font which is suitable or applicable for you. Okay, so here I have selected this font. See how to change the font. First of all, select the text, go to Home tab, from here go to font group and click on font style and change the font. Now, next we are going to learn using mini toolbar. How to use mini toolbar. See here, mini toolbar helps you to access the common formatting commands by using it. Okay, see here how to do it. Select the text. So I'm selecting the text here. See, the text is selected. Okay, what you need to do, select the text and see here mini toolbar appears. As soon as you're selecting the text, mini toolbar appears here and it contains some of the very frequently used commands. Like here you can find there are some commands from the font group as well as from the paragraph group. Okay, so this is very simple. Select the text. Once you select the text, mini toolbar will appear. Okay, next we are going to learn changing the size of the text. Now see here how to check the size of the text. Just click on the word and go to Home tab. From here go to font group and see here font size. Font size is 28. If I don't want, or I want to decrease the size of the font, what I need to do, I need to select the text, go to the font group and see here you can change the size of the font. I'm just increasing the size here. Okay, so you can increase or decrease the font size by just selecting the text. Click on Home tab and click on the down arrow of the font size. Click on the size you want to use. Okay, so it's very simple. Now, changing the text bold, italic or underline. This we have already done in the last class. So how to do it? See here, I'm just selecting the text Mohit and see I'm going to the Home tab. From here I'm going to the font group and here we have all the three options available: bold, italicize and underline. So I will be doing all the three in this. Okay, so I'm just clicking on bold and see Mohit is bold, italic, see it is italicized, and see I'm just applying underline and see Mohit is underlined as well. So it's very simple. Just select the word, go to Home tab, from here font group and you can click on these three options. You will be able to apply this. Okay, now we are going to move to changing the font color of the text. So this is the text that I would like to change the color. Okay, so select the text first, go to Home tab. From here, go to the font group and see here we have font color. Just click on this arrow and change the font color. So what I'm going to select here, this color or this. So this is the color I would like to select. Okay, so this font color is changed here. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this part as well, so select all, go to the font group, click on font color and change the color. Clear? So this is very simple to do. Now next we are going to highlight text. So I would like to highlight Kheer here. What you need to do, select the text first, click on Home tab, go to font group and see here this is text highlighting color. Click on this arrow and select the desired background or the highlighting text. Okay, so I would like to click on this and see the text is highlighted. Clear? So what is this? What you need to do, select the text, go to Home tab, go to font group and click on text highlighting color. Click on this arrow and select your color. Okay, so this is very simple. Next we are going to changing alignment of the text. Changing alignment of the text. For this, what you need to do, select the text, whole text, click on Home tab, go to paragraph group and from here you can find here we have 4 different alignments available. We have 4 different alignments available. One is align text to the left, center, right and see it is justify. Okay, so first of all we are going to click on left and see the alignment is to the left. Click on center, see the alignment is to the center. Right and see justified. Okay, so like this we can apply changing alignment of the text or the alignment of the text. Now we're going to insert pictures and clip arts. We're going to insert pictures or clip art and see this is about myself. So I would be searching a picture that suits this document. Okay, so as per the requirement of the document you can search picture or you can insert a picture from the computer to your document. Okay, so how to insert a picture, click on the location in your document where you want to add a picture. So I would like to picture here at this part, so I'm just selecting it here and see here what you need to do. I'm just pressing the tab so that my picture will be added here. Okay, now click on insert tab. So here I'm just clicking on insert tab and see click on picture. Click on picture and see this will take you to the location where the pictures are stored in a computer. So I'm just clicking on sample pictures and see here as it is the document is about myself, so none of the picture is matching it. So what will I do, I would be selecting a picture that is tulips. As per your requirement you can select a picture. As per your requirement you can select a picture. As this picture is not suiting to this document, so I'm just showing it to you as a sample only. Okay, now what you need to do, you can increase or decrease the size of the picture by just dragging it to the right or left. Okay, let's see how I am doing. And see what you can do. See here the picture is inserted. Okay, wrapping text around an image. Wrapping text around an image. Just make a right click here click on format picture, and see click on layout, just click on tight and then OK, and you can take it anywhere. Okay, so it's very simple. Now moving and resizing image or object. So here we have applied all the things in this inserting of a picture. We have moved, we have resized, we have wrapped the text, we have wrapped the picture, etc. So everything we have applied here in this picture. Okay, now adding a picture effect. So once you click on it, once you click on the picture, the format tool starts. This format starts. Now here what you need to do, you can click on picture effects. You can click on picture effects. Okay. What you need to do, you can click on picture border. You can click on picture borders. Under this you have picture effects like shadow effects. You can apply these shadows to the picture. We have a shadow effects here. Okay, now we can apply a border to this picture. We can apply width to this picture. Okay, now click on effect category. You can go to effects. Here we have already selected effects. Now click on effect style. We have effect style as well. We have different effect styles here. You can click on it and see the picture becomes more beautiful. Okay, now here in this segment we have learned how to add a border as well. So what you need to do, just click on the picture, click on picture border, just click on any of the color that you want to be in the border, want to take in the border. Okay, see this is the border, and see here we can, what you can do, just click on weight, click on dashes, what kind of dashes you want to apply. See this is the kind of dashes that can be applied, or just keep it simple. Okay, so here we have learned how to add a picture border. Now we are going to learn how to insert clip art. So what you need to do, you need to select the location. See here the location is already selected. Okay, now what you need to do, click on insert, and see here click on clip art. Click on clip art and search for myself, and check whether a picture for myself is available here or not. It is showing no result found. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for flower. Okay, I'm just going to search for flower, and see we have two different things, two different images here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this arrow, click on insert, and see this flower is inserted. What you can do, you can resize this picture. You can resize this picture. Then what you need to do, just click on, right click on this. Okay, and then click on format picture, click on layout, click on tight. Okay, and see here you can bring it here. Okay, you can make both the picture with same length and breadth so that it will look more beautiful. Okay, so this is the way you can insert a clip art as well to your document. Okay, so today we are going to learn up to this. In the next class we will be learning adding auto shapes to the document. Okay, till then, thank you.